Well, hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's lecture, we are going to talk about speech act. First of all, we have to know introduction about what is a speech act. Speech act, according to Austin's classification, was closely examined and greatly improved by his student John Searle. He decided to build his taxonomy mainly around two: the locutionary point, the communicative function. Searle stated that the central tenet of speech act theory is the uttering of a sentence is an action within the framework of social institutions and conventions. For example, I'll help you move. Here, when he say, I'll help you move, here there is a meaning for this saying. When he say, I will help you move, there is an action. Okay, so speech acts are made with an action. It isn't just an empty statement, it is a verbal commitment that translates to action, helping with a move. Searle classifies the speech act into two distinct approaches: direct speech act and indirect speech act. He states that the speaker can choose to make his intended meaning explicit, or stated indirectly. Explicit, which means clearly. Okay? His speech will be clear without any implied meaning. Searle's contribution. He proposes 5 microclasses of allocationary acts. Okay? Assertives or representatives, directive, commissive, expressive, declarative. So, we're going to talk about them one by one with examples. The first one, assertive or representatives. It commits the speaker to the truth of the expressed proposition and thus carry a truth value. So, when a speaker says something, that thing will be true, okay? Without any, it is a fact. It is not an opinion. It is a fact. For example, the earth revolves around the sun, as you can see in this image. So, it is a fact. Truth value. Directive. It attempts by the speaker to get the addressee to do something. It includes advice, commands, orders, questions, and requests. For example, when we say, would you make me a cup of tea? So here it is a request, it is a directive. So that the speaker does not expect the hearer to answer the question with yes or no, rather expects the action of making him or her a cup of tea. Commissive. It commits the speaker to some future course of action. It includes offers, pledges, promises, refusals, and threats. For example, I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but truth. So here it is spoken in the court of law. It is a commissive. It expresses the speaker's intention to do something in the future. Expressive. It is used to convey the speaker's emotions. From its meaning, it's really clear. It is about emotions, feelings, attitudes. They do not directly request or commit to an action, but rather express the speaker's inner state. Okay? For example, whoa, that sunset is beautiful. Here expresses admiration. Or when we say, that movie was a masterpiece, it is expressed as a positive evaluation. I'm sorry, I hurt your feelings. Here expresses apology. So all these examples are expressive examples. Here we have declarative. It affects immediate change in some current state of affairs. Declaring war, for example. Resigning, dismissing, and also naming are examples of declarative. For example, here, Buzz, you are fired. It is a declarative speech act, okay? It is an immediate change at the same time. Another example, I now pronounce you husband and wife. This example was spoken by an officiant at the wedding ceremony, and it is a declarative, immediate change. This is our lecture for today. I hope that it was clear. Thanks for watching.